Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful crochet glove pattern for the ladies and the girls, and I hope you will like my video. If you are new on my channel, please do subscribe, like and share, and comment on my video. So let's start. I'm taking a small yarn. The hook size is 2.5 mm or 3.5 mm. You can use according to your desire. Now for the start we are going to make chain 15 first. Then after completing the 15 chains, we have to make single crochet in each chain, and we have to make single crochet in every chain of this round. After completing this round, we will make chain 2 and we'll turn the side. Now we are going to make single crochet in each chain but at back chain. As you can see, we are making single crochet in the back chain of this chain. Look at this. We are making single crochet in the back chain. We have to repeat the same procedure till the end. Then we will make chain 2 and we'll turn the side, and we have to repeat the previous procedure, that we have to make single crochet in the back chain. We have to use this pattern for the 35 rounds. I have completed these 35 rounds and I'm going to join the two sides using slip stitch. You can use single crochet as well. After completing these two sides, we will make a body of the glove. For that we will make 3 chains, double crochet in same chain, then chain 1, skip one chain at the bottom and we'll make 2 double crochet in next chain between the two lines, as you can see. Now chain 1, we have to make 2 double crochet between the two lines. Now chain 1, 2 double crochet in next chain, and we have to repeat the same procedure till the end of this round. After completing the round, we have to join the two sides by using slip stitch. Now slip stitch in the next chain space and we'll make 3 chain and 1 double crochet in this chain space. Chain 1 and 2 double crochet in the next chain space, and we'll join the two sides by using slip stitch. Now chain 3, double crochet in the chain space, chain 1, 2 double crochet in the next chain space. Repeat the same procedure and complete the 4 rounds of this pattern. After reaching the fourth round, we have to skip 2 chain spaces to make a thumb place, and we'll make a slip stitch to end up the round and making this gap here for the thumb. Now reach the next chain space and chain 3, double crochet in the same chain space, chain 1 and 2 double crochet in next chain space, and we have to repeat the same procedure till the end of the round. Now we will make 2 double crochet in this chain space that is of thumb place, and then chain 1. We will make a slip stitch to join the sides. Now reach the chain space, chain 3, double crochet in this chain space, chain 1 and 2 double crochet in next chain space, So basically we have to repeat the same previous procedure in this round, and we'll complete it and join it by using slip stitch. So after completing the 4 rounds after thumb place, we are going to make 3 chains, 1 double crochet, and we will skip 1 chain here. In previous rounds we will make a chain between the two patterns, but we skip that procedure in the next round to make a small reduction here. 2 chains, 2 double crochet, now 2 double crochet in next chain space without leaving a chain between these two patterns. As you can see, there is a small reduction in chains. Now again 2 double crochet in next chain space without leaving a chain between them. We have to repeat the same procedure till the end of the round, and we'll join the two sides by using slip stitch. We have to complete the 9 rounds in total. Is on the body of our glove. Now I'm going to make a beautiful heart on the glove. So you want to I'm going to attach the heart on the glove. If you want the pattern of heart, please visit my channel. There is so many videos of different heart pattern. So here is the final look of our glove pattern. As you can see, this is so beautiful and simple, and I hope you will like my video. Please do subscribe, like and share. Give a comment in the comment section, and stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you so much.